This video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the pop-ups by the site Talpataseoservice.services. This is a dangerous site that targets Google Chrome, and it may also affect other browsers. This site tries to scare you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. So if you see these pop-ups by this strange site, Talpataseoservice.services, do not interact with them and leave this deceptive page. Also, I recommend you to research your system additionally with Combo Cleaner. So go to the website combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and then effectively eliminate all other threats which might still possibly remain on your computer. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.